Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate Shopify with Mailchimp. For this particular task, I've decided to use Zapier. So if you don't have an account here, please create one, because we are going to need it. It will take you like 2 minutes and it's completely for free, so don't worry. And if you have the account, just log into it. On the top left corner, we have this orange button which says Create Zap, and we want to click on it. Zap stands for integration. On the top left corner, we have an option for us to name this integration. So we're gonna go with Shopify to Mailchimp, and we press enter. It's really good to use this feature because even in the future, if you need to go back to this integration to repurpose it or take some kind of inspiration out of it, you can easily do it. So let's start with the trigger. The trigger will be Shopify, as you probably guessed. Here we have Shopify already picked. Now we have to pick an event. So what will be the trigger of this integration? Let's go with new customer, but you can pick from a couple of other options. We hit continue, and then we have to pick an account. In my case, this account is expired since I haven't used Shopify in a while, but easily you can reconnect the account here. You just write down your URL and also log in with your account. Then the action. The action goes with Mailchimp. Just like that. Also, we have to pick an event. So the new customer in Shopify will create a tag. Continue. Now we have a Mailchimp. We hit continue, and as you can see, I'm already logged in into Mailchimp, so we are getting all the green dots. Audience, let's go with mstone. Tag name, we have to, if you want to add a tag name, you have to check the status, what is the new customer in Shopify, or this step to continue. I can't do it because my account expired, but you'll be more than able to do it. So let's go like you can add a tag name, and then you'll be able to finish this integration. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any types of questions, please leave them under in this video, and I'll get back to it as quickly as I can. Thank you again, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.